Kids, in the previous video, we learned about the cube and its net. In this video, we will learn about other three-dimensional shapes and their net. When Chanda reached Appu's party, she saw that there were many people there. Chanda noticed that Babban brought a pencil box of this shape for Appu. Chanda is thinking that if she had to make a box of this shape, how would she do this? Kids, can you recognize this shape? Yes, it is a triangular prism. A triangular prism is a three-dimensional shape which has 5 faces in total, of which 2 are triangles and the remaining are rectangular faces. Can you draw the shape of the net of this triangular prism? To do this, come, let us open the prism. In this way, by opening the right rectangular face, we can begin to draw the shape of a net. Then we can also open the left rectangular face in this way. Then at the end, we can open both the remaining triangular faces in such a way as to form the shape of the net of a triangular prism. Kids, can you make another shape of a net of triangular prism? You can pause the video to find the answer for this question. Well done, kids! You can also make a shape of net of a triangular prism in these ways. You solved the confusion of Chanda by making these shapes of nets. Let's see what Chanda is doing now. Chanda now saw everyone in the party wearing a hat of this shape. She's wondering, what shape is this? And what will the shape of its net look like? Do you recognize the shape of the cap? This is an open cone. It is a three-dimensional shape which has only one curved surface. Chanda, in order to know the shape of the net of the open cone, took a hat and opened it in a way. Kids, the shape of the net of an open cone looks like this figure. Chanda saw 2 more such shapes in the party. Can you help Chanda make net of these shapes? You can find the answer by pausing the video. Kids, you have found the right answer. You can also draw shapes in these ways. Chanda is now roaming around in the party and is looking at other shapes and is thinking how to make the shapes of their net. You should also look at the shape of the object around you and try to make the shape of their net. Kids, in this lesson, we have learned about triangular prism, open cone and other three-dimensional shapes and their nets.